Hi, I'm Will from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our Bulkhead adjustable toolbox racking. The tools you'll need are a PZ2 bit, 6mm Allen key and a rubber mallet. So first we're going to assemble our toolbox shelves. Got a base, two sides. Taking the base and the side, noting the recess holes want to be facing in to where the toolbox sits. Simply locate tenons on the side, turn it over, again noting the recessed holes facing in, locate. And then we're going to take our 30mm wood screws, 2 in each side. That's our toolbox shelf assembled. Just repeat the process for the remaining 3. So if you've got Makita boxes, we've got a shelf available for them. A few extra little pieces to our other standard shelves. Assembly is pretty similar to the others. So what we want the side piece first, and just locate that into that tab, and then the other side. And then our front piece. And then lastly our rear. And then finally just the standard sides, noting the recess holes facing in. Then we're going to take our 30mm wood screws, and then we're going to flip it over so the base is facing up, and we're just going to screw these in. And that's the assembly of our Makita toolbox shelf. So if you've got Makita boxes along with a trolley, this will accept a Makita box and a trolley on the front of it. So we're going to start off by locating our side pieces. Our rear section. Our front section, and then lastly our mounting sides, noting that the recessed holes face in towards the toolbox. Then we're going to take our 30mm wood screws and secure everything in place. Then we're going to flip it up so the underside is facing up, and we're going to secure everything together. So that's the assembly of our Makita trolley shelf complete. So once we've assembled all our toolbox shelves, we're going to start building the main rack. We're going to take our Vanimal door, noting the amount of holes on the end panels, that's for adjustable heights. We're going to take that door, ensure it's flush there, and we're just going to locate the Allen key bolt with the hole on the end panel. Then we're going to take our middle end panel, noting the notches want to face the front of the rack. There's 2 sets of holes every so often on here. This is so that this side of the racking, the shelves don't interfere with the other side of the racking. So on this section of the racking, we're going to use the lower holes, and on that side of the racking, we're going to use the upper holes. So simply take our Allen key bolt and locate, again with the rear. So next we're going to fit our upper shelf, noting the holes again on the sides at different heights, just to suit your needs. So simply insert, grab your 6mm Allen key bolt again, remembering to use the lower holes. So once we've built the left-hand side of the racking, we're now going to build the right-hand side. We're going to take our toolbox shelf again. Now on this side, coming back to what I said about on the left side, to use the upper holes so they don't interfere with the bolts securing the other side. So now we're going to take our last end panel, our right hand side end panel, which doesn't have the two holes together, it's just got single holes, and simply fix together using our 6mm Allen key bolts again. So we're going to take our last toolbox shelf now. Obviously it's up to you where you put it. So if you bought our trolley version of the bulkhead racking, you'd only get 3 toolbox shelves and then you get a trolley. The trolley shelf always lives on the left hand side of the racking, nearest your sliding door. You'd fit this in the same manner as the toolbox shelves are fitted. So that's our bulkhead racking now complete, ready to fit into your van. So if you purchased our optional top tray, the bulkhead racking, you receive 3 pieces, the rear, base and the front. Assembly is simple. So take your rear piece and insert it into the base. And then your front piece into the slots in the front. And then we're just going to secure it all with our 30mm club screws again. Same with the rear, but from underneath. So take the assembled top tray and place onto the top of the main racking. Then it's just 2 club screws again at either side. So that completes the assembly of our bulkhead racking. Thanks for watching.